Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to make your iPhone work faster than ever. So if you want to make your iPhone working faster than ever, so what kind of settings are you have to do to make your iPhone work faster? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And this time what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, you can also go for resetting all of your settings. Now the next thing you have to do are mentioned here. So first of all, you have to check your network connection, which means if an app requires internet connection for their content and functionality, then you have to make sure that you are connected to proper internet. Moreover, you can also close an app that is not responding. From the home screen of iPhone X or later or iPad, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause slightly in the middle of the screen on iPhone 8 or earlier. Double click on the home button, show your recently used app, which means you have to simply clear your recently used app, and if they are using your memory, then you have to simply clean that app. Moreover, you can also check whether you have enough storage on your device. Sometimes if you do not have enough storage, then because some apps require more storage, that's why they take time to open, so that's why it makes your iPhone work slower. So you have to simply check for your storage also. So how you can check that? For this, you have to simply go to setting general, and here you have to check for the iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage for the iPhone to work fast. So the next thing you have to check is you have to simply turn off your low power mode. So if you are you have a low battery, so sometimes you turn on the low power mode, and if you have enough battery to use, so you can simply turn off your low power mode. And because in low power mode your iPhone work slowly. So the next thing you can do is you can keep your device from getting too hot or cold, which means you can simply use your iPhone in room temperature and any normal temperature. You can also check your battery health. So if it is not in good condition, then you have to simply replace your battery. So if the problem is still there and iPhone is not working fast, then you can also go to the Apple Store and check for the solution. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.